Currently on the bus heading to Tampa this morning. We are going to Busch Gardens, which I'm extremely excited for. It's the first time I've gone there in a very long time, and it's also Matt's first go as well. So we're heading to Busch Gardens, we're heading to Tampa. You're all coming with us, and yeah, I'm obviously excited to show you the rides, take you around, and see what we can see. Too early for that. Oh, it's hot. After 2 hours of watching Scooby-Doo on the bus, we've made it to Busch Gardens. It was last here 12 years ago. That was my favourite at the time, the Cheetah Hunt, one of the fastest rides in all of Florida. Not in Orlando anymore, we're here in Tampa. Really, really happy to be here. Ready?
Born ready.
Let's go. Since Iron Gwazi was shut, we've decided to come to the second best option, I think, for the first ride. And I actually remember going on this ride, it's SeaWorld. But this ride's probably the most iconic here at Busch Gardens. Yeah, that's a bit of me. SeaWorld was great. All of the rides were great. You can probably tell we're not in Tampa Bay anymore. We're not at Busch Gardens anymore. I just really couldn't get myself to film yesterday. I felt very tired. I felt very low. Had a great day, don't get me wrong. I must say, you know, Busch Gardens, if you're in Orlando, take the free shuttle to Busch Gardens. You will regret it if you don't. We had a fantastic day. All of the rides at Busch Gardens are absolutely phenomenal. However, I will say it is this. It's currently 14:52 and I've just woken up. Matt's gone for some lunch. We're both absolutely shattered. Since getting to Orlando on Monday, bearing in mind today is Saturday, we have not sat still for more than 10 minutes at a time. We've been getting up extremely early every day to get to the parks for opening. We've been going on almost every ride multiple times, standing in long queues in the sun all day until closing. So yeah, I guess just a bit of a warning to anyone that is planning on coming out here to Orlando. Take some breaks, have a rest. You will get tired. The days are extremely long, they're extremely tiring. The parks open at 8 to 9 in the morning. They don't close till 9 to 10 at night. I'm not sure what the winter hours are, but that's like the summer hours. And we've been making full use of all of them. At the same time, eating some unbelievable food that we've got on our fridge. Like, I'll show you what we've got. We've got this pass. It's called an all-day dining pass. It's this voucher here that you have to scan. You scan that, and it basically gives you another meal, a big American-sized portion meal every 90 minutes. And we've been taking full advantage of that too. So take it from me, if you come to Florida, pace yourselves, take some breaks, don't do it all in the first 3 days. Otherwise, later on in your trip, you probably will regret it. And if I'm honest with you, yeah, I'm regretting it. But look, today we're going to SeaWorld. SeaWorld doesn't shut until 10 PM tonight. There's like an electric music show there later on as well. So we're gonna go check that out. And I'm not gonna bring the camera with me today. Of course, I've already made a video about SeaWorld and whether SeaWorld is worth a visit, which, despite the controversy that has surrounded the park now for probably the last decade or so, look, if you go to SeaWorld, you don't have to see the whale show. You don't have to go and watch the dolphins. You can just go and ride on the coasters, and the coasters at SeaWorld are absolutely phenomenal. The one ride in particular, Mako, a brand new roller coaster, I think 5 or 6 years ago now. You've got to check it out. The other Matt and I have agreed that Mako is the best ride that we've been on this week so far, out of about 20 other coasters across Busch Gardens, Aquatica and SeaWorld. It's a great ride, and that is where we're heading this evening, to ride in the dark. I'm obviously very excited for that. We're not going to be doing Disney or Universal on this particular trip, as of course we're out here for 3 months. I also need to pace myself with my spending as well, and I'm not being funny, but a day trip to Disney or Universal is about $150, which is a lot of money. To put into perspective, this ticket here with the all-day dining has cost us $150. But yeah, look, I've never made a video like this before. I guess I just had to be completely honest. I just am extremely tired, you can probably tell. I've just literally spent the whole day in bed so far. Yeah, I'm going to be heading to the SeaWorld park now. I'll probably stop to get some lunch on the way. And yeah, look, if I don't make another video whilst we're out here in Orlando, you're going to see us next week in Atlanta, Georgia. We are going to Atlanta, Georgia, and then we're heading to New York, which obviously I'm going to be filming that. I cannot wait to make the videos in New York and Atlanta. It's going to be great. So look, I've been Matt. Guys, thank you for watching and listening to me ramble on for so long. I appreciate the support, and yeah, I will see you all next week.